and welcome back to TechStack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today our topic is how to split the protected files in VBA. So basically you are able to see the two files. So one is data file. So I'm able to open this data file. So it has not protected. And I will open the sales file. So when I try to open the sales file, it will ask me some password. So because it has encrypted by the backend side. So once I enter this password only, I'm able to see the data. So here the condition is I want to skip the only the password files. So I don't want to go to the password file. Just I want to open the unprotected files and I get the data from there. So this is our condition. So we'll try to explore with VBA. Already I have updated a small snippet of code here. So I will explain line by line what it will happen here. So here first I declare the subroutines and after that I declare one FS4. So FS4 is stands for file system object. So what it will do now, it will help to read the files from the local machines. And after that I declare the one path. So it will help with the help of FS4 and going to that particular path. So if as of now I'm taking this path, so it will go to that particular path and file name I declare. So it will fetch the path file, files from that particular path. After that, I put one for each loop. So for each FSO in file names. So it will by default, it will go to that particular folder and pick the one by one file names. And I given the on error resume. So here why I give this means, so when I try to open this protected file, so by default I will try to open the protected file. Once I try to open that protected file, it will it will throw some error. So it's saying that incorrected password because I don't know password as of now. I keep the normal password. Okay, that's why it will throw the error. So I want to catch that error and I don't want to stop the bot in between that. So for that purpose, I taken the on error resume and I taken one more WKB equals to blank. By defaultly, I am declaring the WKB workbook is equals to blank. And it now it's came to here first file. I mean normal file without protected file. It's try to open. Once it is open, it will check that the WKB name is available or not. So if it is available, then it will skip that. So if it is not having the file, then it will go to the else conditions. So once you here I put if condition here, if this condition is satisfied, you can do whatever you want. If you want to copy the data from one sheet to another sheet, you can do. Okay. After that, you can close these files. And when I got the error, so I need to clear that error. So just I'm clearing that error here. So once I clear that and I'm putting the status as 0. So by defaultly the error condition is equal to 0. So when I try to export something, I will get some error. That error I'm putting the status 0. I mean normal position. So now we'll try to explore with code. I'm going the one by one debug mode. So first I declared and here for each FSO. So in FSO we can see that file name here. Let's see the file name. So now it will try to open the file. So it will open this file. Okay, let me close this Excel file. So as of now, there is no Excel files are in open apart from this macro. Now let me run this. So file is opened and it will check WKB name is available or not. Okay, WKB name. So it's available. So then it will go to this condition. Okay, and here it will says the profile is not protected and it's open and you can do whatever activities you want. Now when I go and check here, for example, I will check error description. So when I try to check, there is no errors. And I will putting a status as normal, 0, continue 0, or error 0. When I check now also, so the error is nothing. Okay. And now it will try to open the second file. So second file is, let me check that second file. Let's go. And the file is sales. So in the sales files, we have the protected. Now it will try to open and it will throw some error. So we can check the error dot description. So it says that the password of the supplier is not correct. Okay, if you want, you can take this entire code. I mean, enter the line, and you can put that one if condition. If it is this, then you can do. Vice versa, you can do anything. So as of now, I go with this. So now it will go to. Okay, Let me check this WKB name, what is available. Okay, so it's getting something wrong. So I will go this second option. So now I will put it here. I'll take one if condition. If error dot description equals to this, then I will put end if, and I will take these two things. Just I'm modifying the code here and update. So this is one condition. And next thing is, so we need to check this WKB name. So here I get the error. So when I try to check here, I got to some error. So already I'm checking that error condition. So if there is no error, then by default it will come to the else state and take this. So this is the method one. Okay, and another method is, if you want, you can try this another method. Okay, this is method two. Here what you would take now. So instead of this WKB dot name, just take this one. So this is alternate method. So you can try anything is fine. So let me comment out this entire session. So here something should be okay. Okay. As of now, I'm commenting all at once. The second condition I'm not doing. So now it's try to open here workbook. So when I try to explore this, so let me check the error description. Okay, let me read on this one more time because I changed this conditional, so that's why I got a different error and it captured the different error. So you can use anything is fine. So based on that condition, I know these two things. So, but for explanation, I am going to the another method. So it's open the first one and it will check the error description. So there is no error description and the file is open. You can do whatever you want. This is the method one. Now I'm going to the second method. So when I check now description, there is no error because I will change here. So now it will try to the open and by default it will throw the error. So when I go and check error description, it's throw the some errors, the same thing. So now it will check and it will throw the message box and the file is encrypted and we cannot open. By default, I skip this file. So now it will clear that error and again it go to the normal state. So this is the one of the method we can achieve how to skip the encrypted files. I mean encrypted Excel files with VBA coding. So if you want, you can try this as well. And if you try this, here getting one more error because WKB dot name not getting the object properly because second time when I try to open the encrypted files, it's getting some error. So this one we can handle in different way. So if you want this one, I can provide you later. This is one of the method which we can skip the encrypted files. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.